This is a Chamberlain Whisper Drive Plus 3/4 horsepower. Say for instance you want to give someone access to your garage, maybe a family member or a service person, for a certain amount of hours. So you can enter a temporary passcode that can last up to 255 hours. So let me show you how to do that. First you got to enter your code, which my code right now is 1234. So you enter 1 2 3 4 and you hit the star and hold it. You notice that the light's going to blink 3 times. Once it blinks, now you come back and enter your temporary code, which we're going to call it 9999. 9999. Press and hold to enter. You notice that it's going to blink 4 times. So now you're going to enter the number of hours that you want this code to exist. Let's say 4 hours. So you hit 4, then you're going to hit this star. You notice it's going to blink once. By pressing and holding the star, it would give me the number of hours the temporary code would be available. By pressing and holding the pound, it would give me the number of times the temporary code would be available. Blink once. So now that temporary code is set for 4 hours. So we're going to try it and see if it works. I'm going to lower the garage. We're going to enter the temporary code, which is 9999, and hit enter. Notice that the garage is going up. And if you want to remove this temporary code, you just do steps 1, 2, and 3 over again and enter 0. So let's do it. Okay, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna hold this. You notice it's gonna blink 3 times. Okay, we enter new code 9999 and hit enter. It's gonna blink 4 times. Then you come back here and you enter the number of hours, which is 0. Then hit the star. You notice it's gonna blink once. So now you have 0 hours. Let's try and see if that 999 works. It's still blinking. Let's see. Wait till the light go out. Okay, I'm gonna lower it down. We're gonna try the 999 and see will it work. 9999, enter. You notice that it don't work. We'll try it again. 9999, enter. It don't work because you gave it 0 hours. So to open it, I'm enter my code 1 2 3 4.